how to make over $8,450 while driving Uber. In this video, I'll go over my earnings and break it down for you for October 2024. There's 4 sources of income that I will go over in this video, and if you stick around till the end, I'll give you a couple minutes of my course and teach you how you can create your own business card. So, you can hand it out to clients and have your own passengers. Stick around till the end. Trust me, it'll be worth it. Monthly earnings Uber, episode number 2. First, let's talk about the 4 streams of income. Then I'll show you my screen and we'll go over everything and I'll show you the exact numbers. Number 1, I try to make around $6,000 driving Uber. I know, I still drive Uber. But here's the cool news. I try to make around $1,500 a week, which is around $200 a day. So it's not that bad. Today I'm at $86. It's on a Sunday, but I decided to make this video because hopefully it'll pick up. Second source of income for me is what you're gonna love. For last 3 months, I've been doing private rides. I've been handing out my business card. Link is gonna be in the description if you wanna get the course. And guess what? I think over $1,600 in 13 passengers. Now you add that to the $6,000 that I made while driving Uber, that's a good chunk of change. The third source of income for me, thanks to Uber, I created a YouTube channel exactly 1 year ago. And that channel is making me some money. Sorry, didn't mean to choke there, but it just feels good that Uber gave me 3 sources of income. Oh no, wait, the 4th source of income. Thanks to Uber, I built a course where I teach you how to become your own private driver. And the course is called How to Start Your Own Rideshare Business. And that's my 4th source of income. Let's go over each one at a time. First, with the Uber, let me show you my screen and show you exactly how much I made every week to get close to $6,000. Like, I don't remember the exact number, so I just say $6,000. It just makes it a little bit easier. Now I'm going to show you how I got to $6,299 in Uber. The details are here if you want to pause and look at it. Up here you can see September 30th to October 7th, which means the income on Monday doesn't count. So that basically comes to this number right here. The realistic number is $1,427. Online for 90 hours because I'm working on my YouTube channel. Active for 44, which is normal. 55 trips, which is normal. That's how I drive. Let's go to week 2. Week 2, $1,663, October 7th to 14th. Online for 85 hours, which is good, less than 90. 44 hours active is normal. 51 trips is normal. I try to stay close to 50 trips. Let's go to week 3. Week 3, it shows $1,357. I think on Wednesday I took a day off, so I barely drove. 78 hours is brilliant. Active for 40, which is nice. 51 trips, beautiful, close to 50. Let's go into the next week, which is, I believe, the 4th week. Income is $1,109 because I did a lot of cash rides this week. Active for 33 hours and 34 minutes, good. Online for 80, better than 90, and only 36 trips. God damn, that feels good. Let's look at the last week. Now this week you can't use all this income because the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd is the next month. So the real number here was, by Thursday I was at $743. Okay, active for 28 hours. Well, I guess none of this makes sense because it's still good. 35 trips, 70 hours, but because I did a lot of cash rides, I still made decent money. But for this purposes of this video, 743 counts. Now when we add all of this up right here, you get $6,299. That's the first source of income. Now let's look at the second source of income. I'll show you on my calendar also, but I just kind of wrote it down. It's also in the description if you want to check it out. With private rides, this is my 3rd month doing private rides. We're at $1,620 and in a total of 13 trips. And the breakdown is right here. I'll quickly go over it. First trip was for $110 to LAX. That's typically what I like to do. The second trip was $100 where I dropped off people to SoFi Stadium football game, and I picked them up and brought them back. So that was $150 to bring them back. In total, that's $255 on that day. That's it. Then I probably cranked another $150 in Uber that day, because when you make $255 in private rides, it's very easy. No, I'm making a video, Uber, you stupid. Don't mess up my video. I have it on in the background. I still got 50 bucks to go today. So let's quicken this, because it's going to keep giving us $7 rides. Number 4, I did a $65 pickup, and the drop-off was to LAX. Oh no, I picked them up from LAX and I dropped them somewhere. I gave my business card out. This guy came back. He flies at least once or twice a month, so he'll keeping in touch with me. Number 5, we are at $100. The drop-off is to LAX. Number 6, $120. I picked up somebody in Temecula and then dropped him off to Ontario Airport. Wealthy businessman. He's got my number. This is a cool one. The Dodgers got to the World Series, so right here, number 7 and number 8, he gave me $130 to take him from Corona to Dodger game, and then to bring him back, and in between, again, I made another $100 on the Uber driver app. So that's $260, similar to what I did up here at SoFi Stadium, $255. Those are the best clients, by the way. Then $300 right here, where I took some ladies to a concert. 90 minutes to pick them all up and drop them to downtown LA. 90 minutes to bring them back. That's around 3 hours of work for $300. Plus, they invited me to the concert, and I enjoyed the whole concert with them. Number 10, $100 to LAX. Then I dropped the same lady's family off to LAX for $100. This $60 is somebody just asked me, yo, I need to go to the cruise. I don't know how to get there. I just helped them with the details, where it is, where the cruise is, how to get there, and he gave me 60 bucks. And the last one is $150. Hang on, this thing is barking in the background. But look, that's 2 sources of income. Now I'm going to show you the 3rd source of income. Before I show you the 3rd source of income, this is how I do it. In my calendar, I just put down, if you look right here, this lady gave me $150 to take her to LAX. This lady gave me $100 to take her to LAX. They're both friends. Again, that's $250 for one passenger. Took me around 90 minutes to drop them off. And these are the private rides that I like. Hopefully you're learning by now. I'm not going to show you everything in the calendar, but I'll show you one more. So right here, you can see on the 20th, I went to the concert, $300, and that's what I do. I just put it right in my calendar. 3rd source of income is I have an Uber YouTube channel, and I was able to make $236 from Uber. And let me show you the breakdown. From YouTube members, I have 20 members, you can see right here, and I get around $85 a month. And if you look right here, in November, I'm at around $6 because I haven't posted any videos, right? But for October, the 236 that I told you. In September, 238. And before that, I was making around $100, right? But for this video, all we care about is this number, 236. And of course, I'm going to try to do that again in November. I just have to come up with a few more videos like this. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, 4th source of income is this thing right here. Let me show you. We'll start from up here. This is my course, Start Your Own Rideshare Business, right? If you look over here, Module 1 is all done. It's got an introduction, why become a private driver, what are the financial benefits, what are some of the risks, and what are the costs. Now let me show you the current one that I'm working on. So right now, I just finished lesson 2. It is around an hour long, right? And lesson 2.2, this one I literally teach people A to Z how to design their own business card, okay? And, oh, hold on, what happened over here? Okay, I fixed it. I just had to refresh it because after I made the changes. So this lesson I'm going to show you in a second. But basically, I teach people, I use Canva to design the business card. I give them a free template that they can use. I teach them how to print their business card. Then I show them a tutorial from somebody else. Then I give stuff like this, what the business card size is supposed to be. Then I talk about, you know, the requirements for printing. Then I talk about what should be in the front of the business card, what should be in the back of the business card. The whole hour-long video is literally teaching people. By the time they're done watching it, they can create their own business card. And this is the fourth source of income. I've generated 6 sales in less than a week since my course has come out, and it is $295. So now let's add all of this up. So if you add the 236 from YouTube, you add the 295 plus the 1600 and the 6299, you get a total income of $8,450. Now, let me just show you a minute or two of my course. So if you're interested, the link will be in the description. There's a coupon code. You could save 50 bucks, get it for $49. Cards for printing. The first link below is the link to the Canva website. It's a website, it's an app. That is the one that you're gonna use to design your business card. This is basically what it's gonna look like when you do the first logo. Business card with just a logo, no pic. And the next thing I'm gonna teach you is right here how to add something with bullet points. You're gonna notice it says airport and hotel, concert and events, corporate travel. I'm just gonna go to my Google document. In Google Documents, I already have this as a bullet point. You can see that right here. These are bullet points in Google Documents. Uploads. I'm gonna click on this picture right here, and you're gonna notice right when I click on it, it jumps right onto my canvas. I'm gonna go ahead and close it, and now we have to mess around with it and we have to make it fit. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this down a little bit and make it a little bit of a square. And next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move it all the way to the edge, like right like that. And I'm gonna open it from the top. I'm gonna open it from the bottom. And this is just to remind me that's where this QR code is going. Okay. Now the last thing is, let's go ahead and right click on this. We're gonna go ahead and copy this, go back here, and let's say you got your business card designed to this stage right here, right? It's ready to go. You got everything, and then there's a QR code right here. Just go ahead and delete this. Delete this from my template, right click, and now paste your QR code. Go like this, ported. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna click right here and just open this so you can see all my print details, right? Because that's the important thing. And then we're gonna do this. So finish, none. Connect cards, none. I don't even know what that means. Horizontal, which is correct. I did a glossy finish. If it's cheap, do it. If it charges you extra, you don't have to do glossy. Matte is totally fine. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you, and I'll give you a preview of the next lesson, which is lesson 2.3 that wrote the script. Now I'm in the middle of recording it, but here I teach you how to do a digital business card. I tell you the advantages of doing a digital business card versus a print card, and you know, there's 5 here. You can pause and look if you want to cheat real fast. I tell you which companies I use. I tell you the advantages of free digital business cards, both companies. And then I give you a conclusion, and then I'll teach you how to make this stuff. All right, YouTube family, hopefully you enjoyed my monthly earnings. You enjoyed the 4 sources of income. And remember, ask me in the comments if I can help you with Uber, if I can help you with private rides, if I can help you with a YouTube channel, or if I can help you build your own course. Let me know. I would be more than happy. If you notice, I answer every single comment that comes in my YouTube channel. I take my time, but I get back to you. Lastly, remember to look at the description. The first link is where you can get access to this course. It's for early birds because I'm only on module 2. I'm going to do 15 or 16 total modules. But if you get it now, the course is only $99 with the $50 discount. That makes it $49. 4 coupons left. Join now before somebody else takes your spot, because pretty soon, I'm guessing within a week, it's going to be at $99 and no more coupons. Next coupon's going to be around Black Friday or Cyber Monday. So, and that's 30 days away. So take advantage of this and help me out. I help you out, you help me out. It's a win-win situation.